You're just editing and it's just me just...
Yeah, this is the beginning of the video. You just turning on that light and it being a light show on your face. Dude, we're gonna have a lot of fun today, aren't we?
Spooky.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are working on my new shitbox tow rig today. It's a Duramax, isn't it?
It is.
And it is kind of a junker.
No, it's not. No, I don't.
Dude, these cap corners.
Introduce this bad boy in the right way.
Yeah, so if you look at the door handle isn't attached, but it has these fancy tow mirrors. I mean, you can kind of see it, but there's stickers everywhere. I mean, there was one over here that got ripped off.
We got to do the rest today.
Yeah.
It's a little worse here.
This guy went and took off the stickers in a horrible way. Already kind of showed you the rust.
Got good Linex bed liner.
Yeah, the previous owner left us a lot of like wood chips in for no reason.
LED tail lights.
Yeah, these mint LED tail lights. This one has a crack in it right here. Right there. Oh yeah, this is what we're going to be doing to the truck today, which is fuel lines, because in case you guys didn't notice, this truck is kind of rusty, and underneath it's, I mean, it's leaking diesel, literally.
Dude,
just because. Yeah.
No, this side.
Oh,
even
yeah.
The gas door.
Yeah, it's rusted through, and I need to get a cap for that. But he left his Instagram on there. If you see all of that in the passenger seat over there, yeah, this used to have a brow with stickers. Go check out the TikTok for the removal of that, because that was pretty sweet. But LOY Duramax, lighting's probably not the best. LOY Duramax, previous owner said it had a lot of stuff, but the more that we're around this, it doesn't have a lot of stuff. I mean,
it's okay.
Because we're going to make it better.
But why it's okay is because you got a kick-ass deal on it.
Yeah, I did. I did get a huge deal on this truck.
Overall, the frame is intact. We inspected it.
The brakes aren't, though. The brakes aren't, though.
Oh, yeah. The only dent we found so far is this.
That. And then it's just the normal rust. The rust under the panels, and then the cap corners and the rockers.
Which you already have that kit in.
Yeah, so that'll be, we'll go more in depth.
Yeah, I'd show more of the interior. The interior is okay.
Yeah, other than like a few, we did this because we were trying to figure out something over there. Can't open this door though because mint. But back seat, it's too dark for them to see back there really. Back seat pretty all right.
Has EFI. EFI tune, the DSP5.
It's got a 5 switch right there.
Exhaust and intake. So I mean,
it's pretty. It's a good starting point for a tow rig.
And the miles?
The miles, it's at like 200,000. So for a 2004, ain't horrible. But we gotta do these fuel lines because, yeah, fuel lines are what make or break this, and they're leaking right now because they got rusted. This guy that owned it before, he didn't take the best care of this thing. He only had it for a couple months. There were a couple things with it that kind of made me mad, but truck's in my name, so it's mine now.
Time to baby it and get her back to shape.
And a little bit more.
Yeah.
So stick around. We're gonna kind of show you how to get these fuel lines in. This was basically just a generic kit from a place called Lines to Go. They have fuel lines for basically everything. They have a stainless steel option, but I just got the basic normal ones. And then when we do the frame, they're gonna get coated also, so no big deal. But we're gonna go ahead and get this started, show you what we have to do for this. So stay tuned. Guys, so we got a light on an engine bay. Just a little $80 Amazon pickup for this light. But these right here little $15 pickup from Harbor Freight. If I can find the link online, I'll throw it down in the description below.
They're metal ones. We've used the O'Reilly's plastic ones before. But these, we were shown to use them from another video we watched. So we're going to see how they work.
Yeah, so...
We're going to start up here. Fuel lines are up here.
Yeah, it's just those two right there. It's just 3/8 and a half to get those. I mean, this fuel line installation shouldn't be like the worst thing ever.
Some clips.
Ooh, the retention clips.
Yeah.
Yeah, so too simple for those.
You said this one's the half?
The bigger one's the half. The other one's the half. This is the 3/8 right here.
What is this one?
The 3/8 is the smaller one.
Oh, is this a smaller one?
Yeah, the smaller one.
Whoopsie.
Hee hee.
Well,
Online, I mean, we were looking up how to relieve the fuel pressure, and then we just kind of popped
these are
it.
actually super easy to use. These tools are awesome.
Really?
Yeah, one little push, and then you just gotta wiggle its way off.
Huh. Dude, that's solid. Pretty solid, man.
There you go. Walk its way around it real quick, maybe. There we go.
Oh, boy, come on. Dude, look at you.
Oh, wait. That's why. Where's that
Why?
screwdriver? There's still like a little...
Oh, retention clip?
Yeah, holding it on, but...
Oh, yeah, we're supposed to get those. Not first thing, but...
just unbend thingies.
Oh, nice, dude. You gotta love this, you know? Guys, that was a pain, but here's the old fuel lines. You can tell, stupidly dirty. Some spots are good, like this spot right there. That was where a connector had it, starting to rust. Dude, let me find another one. Yeah, all these fuel lines were very suspect. But the new fuel lines are in. Let me crawl under and show you guys them real quick. I mean, they're coming off of this material, so it's just brand new steel, made in Canada. Yeah, my hands are just stupid dirty. Tony's looking up stuff. But almost done. You can see, kinda, just right here, new fuel lines are in. We just gotta get a connector for the oil fuel cooler back there, so this line can go on. But these lines are in, clipped in. Oh, it is very compact down here. There's those that go up there. The engine one's up there. Just leave it rolling. I'll clip this part out. And then we'll go to engine bay. Show you what it looks like there. It's just these two lines back here. I mean, Tony took the intercooler off because it was kind of making him upset, wasn't it, bud?
Took the what off?
The intercooler pipe off, yeah. Yeah, I can't talk right now. I'm high on diesel. But Tony's looking up stuff to go and put that quick connect on to the fuel cooler. But I'm gonna go over here. We're gonna talk about probably the next mod to this truck, because I didn't really show you everything, but yeah, getting real tired of this. So anybody that's been around diesels for a while know what this is, know why it's connected to the exhaust, know why all this is so filthy for no reason. It didn't make me and Tony happy when we found this out.
Well, yeah, what was kind of hinting towards that was it kept drinking through coolant.
Yeah.
So, pretty sure that's such a mess. I think that EGR cooler like ruptured inside and it's been eating the coolant.
Yeah.
So,
Which is not good at all. So, we're going to be doing an EGR delete on this. I mean, it's not 2007, so EPA can't come after us. Because, I mean, the law wasn't a requirement until 2007. This is 2004. Government can't tell me.
0.5.
Yeah, but yeah, so that's gonna get changed up. I mean, definitely still need a fast so we can get this factory fuel filter out of here and get a better fuel system in here, because even though the lines had just stopped the draining of the fuel while it was parked and loss of fuel pressure while it's running. Main other things with this truck other than the EGR delete, brakes still need to be gone through. We'll have to do that sometime, hopefully soon, and by soon, today or tomorrow. But other than that, guys, I mean, sorry I didn't show you as much as we could with the fuel lines. I mean, it's kind of a stupidly messy job. That's why I showed you a little bit of the process afterwards. I kind of felt bad about that. So other than that, guys, I think we're just gonna go and end this video right here. I mean, we introduced the tow rig to you real quick. I mean, Tony hated this job. My hands and everything about me actually got dirty. So we're gonna go and close this up and move on to a different thing of this truck. You got any words?
Hell yeah. No words.
So hit that like button. Throw us a sub, guys. Would really appreciate that. But other than that, thanks for watching. Peace out.